Hello, friends. Welcome back. In this chapter, we are going to learn data management in Excel. The data management is one of the most common tasks in Excel. Whether you are working with this employee record, sales report, or the customer list, we will cover sorting, filtering, removing duplicates, and most important, creating a drop down list. So, let's get started.
Let's start with the sorting. Sorting allows us to organize data in order. For example, if I select the salary column and choose sort largest to smallest, and I quickly see the highest paid employee at the top. You can also do a multi-level sort. For example, first sort by department and then by salary within each department. This makes your data easier to analyze. Our next topic is filtering. Filtering let you display only the data you want to see. For example, if I only want to view employee from the IT department, I just apply a filter. I can also apply number filter like showing only employee with the salary greater than 50,000. Filtering is the perfect when you are working with the largest data sets. Sometimes data sets contains duplicate entries. For example, here Sneha appears twice. To clean the data, I can use the remove duplicates tool. Excel will remove the extra record and keep only one. Now let's look at data validation. This helps you control what users can enter into a cell. For example, let's add a column called status. I want to allow only three options like active, inactive, or on leave. I select the cell, go to data, data validation, choose list, type the values like active, comma, inactive, comma, on leave. Hit OK. Now when I click on cell, I get a drop down list. This is extremely useful for keeping data clean and consistent.
So that's how you can manage the data in Excel using sorting, filtering, removing duplicates, and creating a drop down list. With these tools, you can manage large data sets and organize them and user friendly.